Hello, my name is Kamrul Hassan. I live in Mymensingh. I am currently studying Bachelor of Arts in English Literature and Language at Daffodil International University. I am passionate about learning, teaching, and developing my professional in the field of education. I love reading books in my free time. I am honest, friendly, and always ready to learn new things. My education, I completed my higher secondary certificate at Tamil Millat Kamil Madrasa, secondary high school certificate at Kachinakeu Fazil Madrasa with GPA of 5.00 from the Madrasa Education Board. At university, I have built a strong foundation in my English language, literature, and communication. Alongside my studies, I have been actively involved as a volunteer at my university and have participated in group project, student club, and community activities. I have also helped school students improve their English grammar and vocabulary, which helped me build my communication, leadership, and time management skills. In addition, I have joined various training programs such as career skill development, academic writing techniques, digital marketing, basic CV writing, and interview preparation, and leadership and teamwork development. I am also comfortable using digital tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Meet, and Zoom for both academic and professional work. I am proud to have received multiple talent board scholarships, including top position at district and Upazila level. I was also the district champion in the 7 months speech competition and the champion of the speed of talk competition in my area. I actively participate in debate, drama, and literary activities at Daffodil International University and enjoy taking part in sports event and cultural programs.
Sure.
My goal is to become a decided English teacher and education professional who inspiration students to learn with confidence and creativity. I am always eager to grow, take new challenges, and contribute positively to any institution I work with. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video resume.